more parts of program. These two or more parts of program, it is called as thread. In this the programming, the thread execution of the thread is start from the main of the program and end of the main of the program. In thread in thread in thread is the create the two out method, it is called as thread. In Java, thread is defined as a thread. In thread can be defined as the implementing of runnable method and extending of runnable method. In a thread can be defined as the main of the program in thread. In this the thread as the in multi-threading, the thread as the thread life cycle. The thread life cycle means what is the execution of thread and what is the thread move from the one stage to another thread. So let us discuss about the one by one. In this the 5 stage of thread. The first one is new branch state, runnable state, running state, block state and dead state. So let's discuss about one by one. New branch state. The new branch state in this when the new thread is created, this is called as new branch state. The new branch state is the runnable state and running state. The runnable state means the start of the thread and the running state is the stop of the thread. The start of the thread means the thread is the start of the execution, and the stop thread means the thread is the suspend thread or dead thread. Runnable state. Runnable state. The runnable state means the thread is ready to execution of the process of the program. Ready to execution of the process of the program means the thread is ready to the execution of the queue, and entire when the thread is called to get to the ready for the execution in the thread. This is the runnable state. Running state. Runnable state is the L state. When the execution of the suspend is failed, the runnable state is execution. Running state. The running state is the thread get to the execution of the process entire in the thread. The running state is the enter thread, and the execution of the thread can be start. In running state, the thread check by check execution of the process. When the occur, then the thread can be stopped. The running state then it is the block state. When the thread is entered to the running, but the entire the threading, but the what is the error? What is the thread is exception or dead? The thread is suspended. Then the thread work is occur. The top state. When the block state is thread is executed, then the stop the execution of the process and thread can be dead. In this is the life cycle of the thread. And the method of the thread. In thread there are different type of method. Get name, set name, get priority, set priority, set priority, get start, get sleep is the different type of method in the thread. So let's discuss about one by one. First upon set name. In this method you can contain the name of the thread. Get name. The get name is the get name accept the thread and name. Set priority. The set priority is the priority define the priority of the thread. Which thread can be executed when at the time of execution is the priority thread. The second one is priority thread. The third one is get name. Get name, set name, get priority, set priority, get sleep. The sleep method is when the thread is occur or suspend or dead. This method can be occurring. The next one is when the thread is defined. The thread is defined is implements of runnables and extents of thread. Implement of thread and implement thread and and extent of thread. Define to implements of thread. You can define as the main method as the implement. This method can be implemented by all the classes provided by implement. You can define as the run method and call by the object, and the runnable method can be start. The extending the runnable state. And our thread can be executed at the one by one. This is the all about the this is all about the thread in multi-threading. And the thread is the very important part of the uh, of the machine, because all the execution of the machine can be defined as the thread. So our machine time you can use the tasks, all the count and RAM, all about the processor is used for the thread in the machine. It is a theoretically defined as the all programming are the interpreting thread. So let's also all about discussing and multi-threaded. The thread multi-threaded is short, all the about what is multi-threaded, what is thread, what is the life cycle of thread, what is the method of thread. So all discuss about in this video. Thank you so much. I will meet on our next video topic. Thank you so much.